Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to stop Threads auto sharing notes to story. So if you are using Threads and it's automatically sharing your notes to your story, here's how to stop that. So, as a note, currently Threads doesn't automatically share notes to stories by default, but if you are experiencing this, it's likely due to a link sharing settings. So, I want you to go into Instagram because Threads is by Instagram, and right here, what you want to do is to go into your profile picture in the bottom right corner, tap on it, and right here head over into this three horizontal lines on the top right, tap on it, and after that I want you just to go into account center right here, and as you can see there are multiple settings or options right here. What I want to do is to go into sharing across profiles. Okay, so once you are here, I just want you to select the profile that you want to stop the auto sharing notes to your story. Alright, so for me, I will go with that one because it's linked with my Threads. Okay, so once you tap on it, you will go right here in this window. What you want to do is to toggle this two options from on to off, toggle M off, just like that, and you're finished. So guys, everybody, thank you for watching and goodbye.